Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. Addie just woke up from her nap, her morning nap. She takes her morning naps pretty early. Lilia is already at school for the day, and it is the twins' spring break this week, and it sucks because the twins' spring break is a different week than Lilia's spring break, so that's kind of a bummer. But it actually kind of works out because tomorrow we are going to Legoland, or tomorrow we're leaving to go to Legoland on Friday. Friday is the day that we're gonna be in Legoland for the twins' birthday. See that scratch on her forehead? She has the sharpest nails ever, I swear. And she's like, it's too right. She always scratches herself all over. So she got herself pretty good on her forehead a couple days ago. Yeah. She's like, who is that, Mom? Who is that? They're a little obsessed with their sister. You guys are dorks. What are you guys watching?
It's kind of creepy.
It's kind of creepy?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's called?
No.
It's called Monster House.
Oh, I would know that name.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Why? You picked it. Stairs are so comfortable to sit on. I guess if they're carpeted, huh? Hi. As you can see, I'm still wearing glasses. I have my follow-up appointment tomorrow, so I'm crossing my fingers that I'll be able to wear contacts. I hate wearing glasses. I hate wearing glasses. So it's been driving me nuts. I've been wearing them for like over a week now, almost 2 weeks. We've been making more changes in the house. As you can see, we got updated blinds. The old blinds were like these long, annoying things that fall off anytime your kid touches them. So we bought blinds for the whole bottom floor, and we're slowly like updating them throughout the house. We need to figure out what to do with this one. If anyone has any ideas what to do with this front window, because they don't sell them this small. So I don't know if I should just put like a curtain there or something. I don't know. And this picture, I had a couple people asking about that picture. It came with the house, and I don't think we're gonna keep it. I have so many ideas for the house. It's just a matter of like executing them. And then over here, please tell me what to do with this space, because I have no idea. Like, I have no idea. High ceilings are beautiful to look at, and they look gorgeous when you're like looking at a house, but then when you get in, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm like, what do I do with this space? I have no idea. And this chandelier, we actually bought a new one that matches like our other, like this light up here, because we replaced that one as well. And we don't know how to hang it because it's like 20 feet tall. Hi. You are drooling like a faucet. I definitely think this one is teething. I'm so mean. She's like fascinated with watching people eat. Like, she loves watching people eat, but she's clearly not ready to start solids. Probably not for another like 2 months. Hi. Give it to me. You're too little. You're too little.
Hi guys, I'm Spring Breakers. Tomorrow's our birthday in 1 week.
In 1 week, it's your birthday. Yeah. And where are we going in 2 days?
Legoland. Legoland.
Kyson, what are you eating?
There's some eggs.
What kind of eggs?
Hard-boiled.
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 He can't say them, but he loves
I
them.
can say.
You can say it?
Hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled.
Happy birthday! You gotta make this at home. It's yummy. So your name is Kaiden, my name is Kaiden. Yes, you took this thing for me. Are you gonna eat, Kaiden? Yeah. Like Mom loves it. Like.
So Chris made them this way. They almost look like deviled eggs, but they're not because he puts the paprika on them. But we don't like do the centers. It's just hard boiled. He made this one day, and Kyson just like ate his whole meal, I guess. We have an appointment this afternoon for Miss Addie. I called the doctor this morning. As you saw in the very beginning of this video, we have like the humidifier going and we put some Vicks on her. She is not really congested anymore, but she has this cough. And like last night she was breathing kind of funny, and so I just wanted to get it checked out to make sure it wasn't anything. So I called this morning and the only appointment they had available today was at 2:40 and Lilia gets out of school at 2:45. So I was like, we're just gonna have to make it work. I called Gabe and he said he's able to pick her up from school. So that really worked out. So he's gonna pick her up from school for me and we're gonna head out to her appointment. You wanna get dressed?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are dressed, handsome.
The Star Wars.
Star Wars shirt, yeah.
I will just open myself.
He is so great at building Legos. He can take an entire box of Legos, open it up, follow the instructions almost to a T, and build it without any help from like adults. This one he just grabbed a bunch of Legos and made something random, but he can actually. Oh yeah! Oh, it opens. So I definitely think you're ready for Legoland, huh?
See it open?
Yeah.
Mommy, you see
I
it open?
see it opens. Yes, I see, buddy. Did you poo? Did you poo? You hear it? Look at these rows. Look at them. She looks all beat up. Your poor face. Oh my goodness. I can see my carpet was just delivered for your playroom.
I just heard you.
You heard me on the ring.
Yeah.
Because you were trying to get the package for me.
It
It was so big. I told him to get the package for me, and I didn't realize until I pulled up my cameras that it was something that he definitely probably cannot carry by himself. Teddy's home. There in my throat. It's a cute outfit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so cute.
So cute. This is a 9-month outfit.
Chonker.
I was sure it was going to be big on her. And I put it on and I was like, wanted to cry. Landon, you wanna go get shots?
Huh?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I get anxiety. I'm just kidding. We're not getting shots. No shots.
Yeah.
Ew.
Can you just stay on the back for 2 seconds so I can find you?
Yeah, that was a good. Really close to 26. What is this?
Chonker.
And a sticker.
Maybe.
You have to sign a form. Refuse that form.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be.
Alright, we're all done.
No, pups.
You're dressed like it's summer and it's raining outside. What is happening? What is happening in this weather? She's like, what are you doing, Dad? Pull your chest clip up. go. Ready, get set, go. He's going, get in the car. Go. Come on. So we just left the appointment and she looked at her lungs and everything and she said that she's like completely fine, I guess. I don't know, she didn't seem concerned, so that's good. And she's been much better today anyway, but I just wanted to like make sure, double check that everything was good. I feel like I'm a first time mom again now after everything that happened with her. Like everything worries me. But that doctor, I don't know. I don't think Chris liked her either. No, we didn't like that doctor at all. The place that I go to, they kind of just like assign whoever can see you. I guess you don't like have like a doctor. And normally I like this place, but this was the first time Addie's been seen. This is the first time Adeline's been seen by this pediatrician. And the reason is, and I'm not gonna get too much into this, but we vaccinate, but we don't vaccinate according to the schedule that the doctors go by. We go by our own schedule, which is perfectly fine. We do it on a delayed schedule, basically. And this doctor had a very strong opinion about that, which is fine. But she was like looking for her immunization card and I was like, she doesn't have one yet. And normally they're just like, oh, okay. And they might give you like a mini lecture or whatever. And she goes, where was she born? And I was like, she was born at home. And she literally sighed so loud and shook her head. Like, I mean, a completely dramatic, ridiculous, judgmental reaction. At first she did like a huge like eye roll and a sigh when I told her that she didn't have an immunization card. And then when I told her that it was a home birth, she just like, I mean, that was probably one of the worst experiences or like worst reactions I've got from a doctor. A lot of them are very set in their own ways, which is fine. Like, I'm okay with having a difference in opinion. Like, I don't even necessarily preach home birth like to my friends and whatnot. I just like provide information if they're interested. And same with like most of my parenting choices, but she like literally gave us the biggest eye roll and I just felt so uncomfortable. Like, she made me feel so extremely uncomfortable. And me and Chris looked at each other and Chris wanted to say something, but I am like that person. I am not confrontational. I don't like conflict. I really just am like, okay, yep, that's fine. Like, you have your opinion, I have mine. And that's pretty much like where I leave it at. But she was so rude. Anyway, I'm just glad that that's over with. We were there for a while. The twins originally had a baseball game today, but it was canceled due to the weather, obviously. And they do still have gymnastics. So this is gonna be like our problem for the next few weeks, is that our gymnastics and baseball schedule is gonna conflict. So luckily tonight, baseball was canceled, so it makes it an easy decision for us tonight to go to gymnastics. You're home! Chris took the boys to gymnastics, so that way I could stay here. I'm just editing today's video because I'm posting this video today, for today. That's an attractive thumbnail, isn't it? You helping mama edit? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Hi. Hi. He's gonna go change. Tell me when you're done. We'll get the grand entrance from Elsa. Let's see. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold me back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Okay, I can't sing. Maybe you should do it. The cold never bothered me anyway. He's upset. Why are you upset?
Because my Legos. No, she doesn't like it.
He made his little Lego toy earlier, and I guess Landon found it and took it apart.
We're gonna have to get some Craggle.
It's hard having little brothers sometimes. But we're gonna find a solution, and we're gonna get him his own private area where he can play with his Legos without his brothers messing them up, because it's something that he wants, something he's passionate about.
Can I stay here?
Landon, stay here.
I went to Mimi's house. We're gonna go camping. She said she's gonna take us camping.
For Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Halloween.
Oh, we're getting grumpy. It's almost bedtime. Yeah, I can hear the Z's. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I still have to edit and upload this, and we're gonna be in bed soon. That is it for today's video, and we will see you on the way to...
we're going to like all this. That's night.
Good night. Say good night.
Go, no, go, 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 go.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Did I get anyone?